So what I like about working here, it's always changing. We're doing 3 or 4 different stoves a day.
There's more opportunities, not just drilling and grinding. You can go and do something else after a while if you want to, or if you want to stay. It's up to you.
Hearth and Home encourages member-implemented changes very much.
A typical day starts off with a production meeting in the morning. We talk about the previous day's activities, and we also will talk about any upcoming events.
We talk about any problems we had the day before. I give my members an opportunity to say things that are ailing them, things that are on their mind, give me ideas of how I can improve things, and we all talk about it first thing in the morning, and we lay it all out there, and then we work to resolve it.
Oh, there's absolutely room to grow here. I started out as a cell operator, I went to CNC, and now I'm a setup technician, occasionally coaching members.
I started working here when I was a teenager in assembly, and I applied for different assembly jobs and moved my way up that way. And I worked in metal fab, and I worked in a bunch of different positions before I started in robotics. This company is different in the sense that they really want to make it a good place to work, and they really want to provide benefits for people that will help them.
We believe in providing a great quality of life for our members, which includes beginning benefits on day 1 of employment. Those benefits are medical, dental, and vision. We have 3 weeks of paid time off, 10 company paid holidays, and a 401k plan with a company match. One great benefit that puts us above many is our profit sharing with a quarterly cash payout.
Don't be intimidated by applying to a place that you don't feel like you have all the skills. We definitely are here to welcome you, help you out, develop your skills, develop what you need to do.
In my experience, this has been a wonderful place to work.
One of the great things about working at Hearth and Home is that everyone has an opportunity to advance.